Hello everyone, welcome back to the channels. So in this lecture I will teach you about JavaScript template strings. Okay, here you can say that like string template or template string or template literals or all this the same thing. So here we have definitions about your template strings. Template string are a modern way to write a string in JavaScript using a backticks. Okay, so you have to focus on this using backtick that allow variables expression and multi-line text inside each string easily. So here we have your definitions. Template string are a modern way to write a string in the JavaScript. So here we will explain with examples. Suppose if you write like this, here if you create a string variable like this one, here let message it is equal to, here you have to write hello world. Okay, then here tell me here what happened. This works. Okay, this works, but you cannot easily add a variable or multi-line inside this variable. Okay, so this is a old way of writing your strings. Okay, but the if you try to write your string in a modern way, okay, modern way to write a string in JavaScript is backtick that allow you can put inside a variables. You see here definitions. You can here that allow inside variables expressions and multi-line. Okay, inside strings easily. So this is a old way, and this is fine. Okay, this is fine. It's work properly, but here we have the you can create strings using this is let message it is equal to here using the backtick. Okay, in the modern JavaScript, we have to use backtick to create a strings. Like we will write here hello world. Okay, so it is here we will get the same output if you try to here console.log as well as here console.log. Then you will get the same outputs. Okay, and but the thing here, this template string it is more powerful than this just strings. Okay, here single quote or double quote your backtick it is a more powerful. Okay, then this is modern JavaScript. Okay, in the modern JavaScript for creating your string you have to use this backtick. Okay, so it is totally depend on you. Here you can use this one or this one, but it is here using template literal it is the best. Okay, okay, it is a powerful because inside it you can write multi-line text. You can also introduce variables inside it. Even you can inside it write expressions. Okay, so that's why this is the best. Here move to the next about many name one features concept with examples. Okay, so you will see you have heard about like template literals or template string or string template. All are this the same thing. Okay, you see template string are known by multiple names. This is multiple names. Your template strings are known by multiple names, but they mean the same thing. What? Here you can say template literals or template strings or string template. Okay, or all this here. This same thing. Okay, so no worry about it. That is what is a string template or what is a template string like that. Okay. Then here we will explain with example. Example showing why they are the specials. Okay. Why it is special? Your template literals or template string. Why it is special in JavaScript? Okay. So here I am going to explain with example. Suppose here create a variable let language. This is a language. It is equal to here you have to create a variable inside double quote JavaScript. Then create another variable text. It is equal to backticks, and then inside here I love, and here with this one dollar symbols and curly braces. This one you have to see. This is using backtick. This is your backtick here. This button you will get here below to the your escape button. You will get this backtick. Okay. So here I want to use this language. Okay, this language variable inside text. So how you can achieve that using the backtick? You can easily achieve that. But if you try to here use like single quote or double quote, okay, In that case, it is not possible. So that's why your template literal or template string are more powerful than the strings. Then here you have to get your language variables. Okay, so this is why people use them variable inside strings. So even here you can console.log for the debugging. Just you will write the text. Then tell me what you will get in the console. You got it. I love JavaScript. This is here now. URSS in this language in this string. So I love JavaScript. So here I'm already in the terminal and we have correct path. This is make sure that you have your correct path means what? This one here. Just here you have to copy this and you have to go open your CMD. Then you have to write cd command and then paste that path. This one. Then you will get that path. Then execute that file. So mind script underscore 27 mind script. This is here underscore 27. Just execute that file and you will see your result. Okay, so this is fine. Okay, so you know about how you can get a variable inside a template literal. Just here you see or definitions about your template string. What this is here. Template is a modern way to writing a string in JavaScript using the backtick. Backtick. So that's why here we have used backtick. This symbol, guys. This one backticks. Okay. A string in JavaScript using the backtick. Then that allow variable. That allow variables. Variable means what? This variable here. Here you create the variable like this is here. This variable I'm talking about and this one. Here you can create any variable. Okay. So that variable you can put inside a template string. As well as here later on we will also put expression inside our backtick here, as well as variable expression and multi-line text inside a string easily. You can add. So cut. Okay, we have to comment. Then we will move to the next sections about here backtick syntax. So here we will see the definitions. Template string must be written using the backtick. Okay, this not symbol. This is here. Okay, this is your backtick. Okay, this backtick you got it here in the keyboard below to the escape button. You will find it. Then it is here, not single or double quotes. Okay, so here I'm going to explain with the example. So this is the wrong example. Here if you write like let text hello world. So tell me, this is let text and just you have to write this is a hello world. Okay, so tell me guys, you see here JavaScript okay automatically detect like this is wrong guys. You cannot do that because here either because this string is not inside quote or backticks, so that cause the issue. Okay, so this is your backtick syntax. This is the wrong example of your backtick. Then also we have another thing. If you try to write here like this here let okay, so let's come into this example. Then here let's create another variable. Let name which is equal to inside backtick, not backtick strings Alice. Okay. Then here create another variable. Let text which is equal to inside. Okay. This is here you have to write hello dollar symbols and then inside it here you have to write the name. Okay, not here. I want to put in this curly braces this name. So tell me guys, it is correct or not? Tell me. Okay, this is wrong guys, and you know why this is wrong? Because I forget to write backtick here. Okay, you see we have put the string. Okay, not backtick. This is here. This is a strings here also. This is a string here. We have not backticks. Okay, so this is like I'm going to put inside a string, and this is your strings. Okay, inside it just try to say, but you know this is wrong guys. Okay, here output will be hello dollar symbol. Then inside curly braces your name. Let me just console it low so that you will understand about this text. Just execute that files. You see here, hello, and dollar. This is a curly braces inside your name variable. So okay, you know why you will get this one. Basically, in place of name, in place of Alice, you just get your variable name. Okay, so this is wrong. Okay, here output will be hello dollar symbol inside curly braces name. Okay, here dollar curly braces does not work in the code. It only work on in the backticks. Okay, so suppose here I'm going to copy this code, then comment this code, and for the correct example we will use same. Here I want to access this variable inside it, so you have to must be put inside backtick. Okay, so here this is the backtick. This is all about your Alice hello name backtick. Now here you can easily access this name variable here hello. So here we have to just execute that file and you will see here your name hello Alice. Got it? So then we have to move next topic, code inside strings. Here we have definitions. This is template string allow both single and double quote inside a string without escaping. In the string, okay, we have used the like escaping character, backward slash like that. But in case of here in this backtick, okay, we don't need that things. Here, suppose here in this one, if you try to create a variable let text, then inside backtick here you have to write he, then backward slash, then here single quote, then called. Okay, then if you try to write inside double strings zone, not a zone, it is zone. This is okay. So it is, you see, it is like confusing a little bit. Okay, here we find backtick. Okay, here it is hard to read and easy to make the mistakes. But using the template strings, it is a very clean and readable. So here the same code, copy that code. This is here, paste it, and then okay, what you got in this? Here no need of this one. Okay, now here no need of this like backward slash. This is here he is okay. Then here it is just symbol. Now you can easily access this apostrophe, you can say, and this strings. Okay, so let me check it here. Just here we have to execute. Okay, you have to first see console.log. This is here console.log of text, console.log text. Okay, then here we will try to try to execute that files. So this is about here is called zone. Okay, so this is simple. Okay, whenever you use your template strings, okay, then you want inside it put apostrophe or double string. So in that case you have to must prefer the template, okay, metric template string over strings. So it is clean, readable, and it is human friendly. Then we have to move our next topic about multi-line strings. Okay, we have definitions. Template strings allow string to be here, allow string to be written across multiple line exactly as they appear. So this is here. Suppose if you try to write like this is here, let let text let text it is equal to then sign metric. Okay, this is here if comment, otherwise it calls this one. Then inside here if you write hello and then this is world. Okay, then if you try to put the new line from here, then you see VS Code automatically detect this, so you cannot do that. Okay, JavaScript here you got it here, but here okay, so you see this is error, but okay, we have another method. If you try to again access that thing here inside it here, let text is equal to inside a string here if you write hello then backward slash and okay, so this is here. Then here you have to write plus symbols. Then again I went to old, okay, back tick and backward slash, and then here plus symbols, okay. Then again welcome. So inside strings, this is here. Here you have to write welcome. So okay, so this is fine, okay, for the multi-line text. But here even you can enter the new line. This is here, okay, that is fine. So you see it is like ugly solutions. Here it is messy and not readables. But if you try to use here template string, then this is very simple and easy to use, okay. Here, so this is all about your multi-line, okay. You see here your headings multi-line strings. So you can, here you see JavaScript indicator, but this way you can achieve the same thing, multi-line string, but it is like ugly solutions, okay. It is a messy and not readables. But if you use here template strings, then here let text is equal to, this is a backtick, this is a hello world. This is welcome. So you see it is fine. Whenever you go to the new line, it is fine, okay. It is a perfect formatting, very useful for UI and HTML. Got it? So this is your correct way to write your string in the multiple line. Then we have to move what interpolation variable in the strings. So here we have definitions. Here interpolation means what? Inserting a variable directly into a strings using dollar symbols and curly braces. So here we have a old way how to concat these things. We have an example. Let is it is equal to 25, and then let text is equal to im, then plus is year variable plus, this is a year old, this is year old. Got it? So you see here it is hard to read and more errors. You see here like too many plus symbol plus like this. Okay, this is a old way to hear your interpolations. But here here we have your template string way. With the help of this one, it is a very simple. Okay, you can easily achieve that. Here it is like a natural syntax, and it is a cleaner syntax. You can easily understand everything. Here let as it is equal to 25, and then let text is equal to, this is backtick im, here row numbers, use age, this is about years old, okay. So here let me try to, okay, this is a simple interpolation. You can illustrate about definition. Interpolation means what? Inserting variable. So you see here, this is my variable age 25, and inserting inside a string, this is im, years old string, and inserting a variable, this is variable inside a strings, insert this is variable. So this is called interpolations. You see interpolation means what? Inserting variable directly into a strings using this here dollar symbols curly braces. So you see here dollar symbol curly braces, inside it your variable put inside a strings, okay. So this is all about your interpolations variables. So here we go. Here expression substitutions. What? Here template string can evaluate expression calculation and function inside curly braces. So this is here functions, here not the function expression substitutions. So let here create a variable let price is equal to 100, and then let text is equal to 0.18. This is, and then let total is equal, inside a string here you write total, then plus inside it here you write price plus price, okay. then multiplied with what? Text. And this is about your text. Okay. Then here you have to write your console.log and you will get the solution, which is your expression substitutions. This is here console.log about your total. So just we have to execute this files, and here you got it. Here your total 118. Okay. So this is your substitution. Okay. This is look like a bracket confusion. You see this one, then here with plus plus. Okay, but if you try to use template strings, so it is very simple for template strings. So here we copy this code, paste it here, and then here we have to remove this. Then inside it, okay, this is price text, and then here using template strings, it is very simple. Here you have to remove this one. This is all about here inside backtick. Here you have to write total, then inside here price plus price, then here we have multiplied with the text. Okay, so you see it is easy, clean, the professional way to writing. So you tell me which one is better, this one better or this one better. I know, and also you know this is better, okay, than this one. Okay, so here we will talk about browser support. So your template string are a part of ES6. Okay, basically it is introduced in the ECMA script 2015. Okay, and here it is work in all the modern browsers. Okay, so no worry about it. It work in all the browsers. Then here we have about okay support example. No worry about it. It support in all the browser. Your template is. Then we have common mistakes. Okay, here and with fix. Here using quote inside of backtick. So here if you try to like this, here you got it here. I have already explained about this one. But here I am going to again explain. Name it is equal to this backtick Sam. Okay, Sam. Then let text is equal to here you to write hello dollar symbols, and then inside name. You know this is wrong, as you cannot do it, but using backtick you can achieve the same thing. Like this is here, just here you have to put what this is a backtick, also your backtick, and comment this is here. Okay, so this is the thing here. Common mistake with fix here using code instead of backticks. Okay, so you know all about your template testing. If you like this lecture, you have to comment, subscribe these channels, and write in the comment sections template strings. So I will see you in next lectures.